Helicopter 81 Quebec, and cross runway 5, departure from the ramp is at your own risk. Wind is estimated 290 at 6, Palm Beach, altimeter 299
96 on the go, 81 Quebec. All right, you ready? It's all you. Rest your arm, nice and easy. It's all right here. So we're slowly gonna pick it up.
Oh my.
And you're gonna push forward, so we're gonna start moving forward. So forward a little bit.
So this is my first time, oh my god.
That's the new FAU Stadium, Florida Atlantic University. It's all forward, backwards, left,
Oh my god!
and right.
I'm switching it now.
You got it. So show us a turn to the left. Show us to the left. There you go. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Show us one to the right. Nice and easy to the right. Slowly bring it to the right. There you go.
Oh my god!
Perfect, right there. You can see all the canals here on the right, on the left. They're all man-made saltwater canals. They all go and connect to the intercoastal and out the inlet. So you can live like 3-4 miles inland here and with your boat make it all the way out. This canal borders between Palm Beach County. This is now Palm Beach County, Broward County. This is now Deerfield Beach.
All right. No,
That's my new house we're building with the helipad on top, right next to your house.
Wow.
The Hillsborough Inlet we're going over in the corner, the Pompano Beach Lighthouse, ready for a nice turn to the left.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
All right, 1 Quebec northbound.
I think I showered already, okay?
118.42. Hey, 1 Quebec. Let's get that jet skier over there.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! This is fun, but no. This was one time in my life. I don't want to do it anymore.
And you can turn, can you make
Happy birthday, you okay?
Nope, that's fine. Traffic there, supposed to know that.
This is Deerfield Beach and the Deerfield Pier. Look at the rooftop swimming pools on the left.
Oh.
The pink tower right here, this is the Boca Resort, Waldorf Astoria Resort.
Woo!
How you like the ride?
Very nice.
I enjoy it.